right, I just got this off of Amazon. Just came in the mail today. Let's open it up and see what we got. All right, looks like they've got some diagrams so that if you need to do some cutouts, it has the directions. You might need those. Let's see what we got in here. All right, so this looks like the body of it. I think it's 2 pieces. Yeah, it is. Yeah, there we go. This here comes off, and you put your batteries in here. You see that? And then you put that back on. And this is on the interior of the door. You follow me? So let's set that there. You're gonna need keys in case the batteries die. And then I do believe this is your bolt and some screws. So yeah, there's the screws. You need those. There's some other stuff. I think we need the box. So here's a plate. Here's another, like kind of where the thing goes in. May need that, may not. Sometimes you already have a plate on your door if you're replacing this. But this is the part that's going to go through there. And there's the doorknob part goes like through there. So let's set that over there. And then here's the other part of it here. This is the part that's going to be facing out. And yeah, there it is. Check it out. So that's what it looks like. That's on the outside of your door. All right, you got to do a QR code.
Oh, okay.
So I'm going to give you this, and you just go ahead and load it up on there. All right, so it's called GHome Smart. Okay. All right, I think then through the app you can program it, but I'm going to have to install it on the door. All right, step 1 is getting this old doorknob off. So you're going to need a driver like this DeWalt. This DeWalt is excellent. I've got an extended bit on here so I can get to these. You've got to put it in reverse and just get in there and get them out. Just like that. There's one. We'll hang on to him just in case we have to put this back in. But I don't think we're gonna. Okay, got those out of there. All right, so now we just gotta pull that apart, which is simple. There's that. There's that one, right? Now we gotta take this off. All right, so we're still in reverse, and we're gonna need these, so you don't wanna lose them. Okay, that's that. Bam, done. This piece here has to go in there. This is your deadbolt, okay? But so this has to come out, right? So we just pull that out. That's done. That's gone. And this one's just gonna slip in, and this has to be on the downside. Slip it in like that, and that's ready to be screwed in. And now we gotta take our DeWalt and put it forward, because we're going forward, right? From here on out, we're gonna be doing forwards. So let's go with this one first. Okay, we'll do the bottom one. And this has to get in there. It's got to be in there tight. Okay, so now that's in. So let's take a look so you guys can see. Those screws are in. This is down. And now all we got to do is get our 2 pieces in there and then set them together. So it shouldn't be too hard, right? All right, so as you're looking there, you can see this has to go under. We got to get this through there, that through there, and then now we've got to get those 2 little posts to slide in there. I think we got it. That's it, right there. Bam, done. You see that? So those posts slide right in there, and now we can screw them down onto the other thing. Just got to make sure we got it right. Right here we got to put 2 screws, and they're going to screw in there and there. All right, so I'm thinking that we go like this, put this through here, just like that. All right, so I've got to get these bolts through here and into these 2 spots here. So I'm thinking if we do it like this. Okay, I see it. I got it. Now this should screw right in there. Yeah, that one's starting. Now I gotta match this one up here. I think we might be there. Let's try it. So we'll try spinning her on. Seems to be going in, right? Let's try this one. Do this one. And this one. And then this one. Yeah. All right. I think we're looking good, right? All right, so next we've got to put this on. So our first step is to get this here. Let me pull back. We've got to get this in here, like this. It's got to snap. There we go. Now we've got to get that. And this is the tricky part. Got to push that out, and I got to get this on here. Look at that. Okay, now we just got to put some screws in. So I think we've got these right here that we want to put in. There we go. That's it right there. Small ones, right? Okay, that's on there. Now we got a big long one we got to put down here. So I got to go in here like that, all the way. All right, that's it. We got it. I think we got it done. Now the question is, will it work? So here, look at that. So that definitely works. Now we got to put our batteries in. All right, so here we go. Here's one. Here's two. Here's three. And last but not least, 4. Okay, that's on, right? Look at that. Now we got to put our cover on. Bam.
Lock direction setting succeeded. Lock opened. Lock closed.
Okay. So it looks like we're doing pretty good. Now we just got to connect to it and see if we can program it and put in a code so that we've got a code. How's that sound? So now we're going to go ahead and search for the device, I guess.
Yes, while using the app, right?
Yeah, while using the app. There it is. Click on it. Smart lock. All right. I think it's loading.
Yeah, it's being added.
Okay. So now you want to hit done. All right. Okay. Here we are. Smart lock. All right. So auto lock open.
Which means it's where's the doorknob?
There's no knob on it. There's no knob on it. So
I just push this in. Does it need to be out?
no, I don't know. Let's see. Let's click it. All right, now go down. Okay, so that opened
Lock
up.
closed.
Okay, the lock's closed. So smart screen more, hit more. All right.
Voice unlock.
Okay, go back.
Yeah.
Oops, sorry. All right, so I think if we go down here, you can go in here.
I'm gonna see what temporary is. It's gotta be 6 to 10 digits, Dan.
Please enter 6-digit password. Let's do one.
I'm not gonna let you watch.
Okay, we'll get it in there. Let me know when you're done. Let me know when you're done. Now, you might want to take a screenshot of that so you remember it. You got it?
I'll remember it.
You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Is it loaded in?
Save. Expiration time must be. What do you mean expiration time?
Well, you can set it for any time. So I would say 2030. Okay, so now go ahead and plug the password in and see if it works. Oh, go ahead. Plug the password in. Okay.
Lock opened.
Oh, you got it.
Cool.
That's it.
So I don't need a doorknob or anything. All I have to do is put the
You just put the numbers in and that's
numbers
it.
in.
How do you like it?
Outstanding. And what is this? Oh, is
Yeah,
this
it just locks.
it automatically
yeah.
locks.
All right, so that's it right there. What do you think of it?
Love it.
Works good, huh?
I just need a doorknob for the inside.
All right, well, you can pull it from up here, I think. Or, I don't know, when you
I
close
was
it.
able to open it by grabbing this.
Okay, well, just make
Yeah,
sure
that worked.
you can get yeah, because there's no doorknob. Ah,